What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, I do have my Moto Razr Plus in front of me. I just wanted to show you and go over some of the features and the things you can do on this outer display. So let's get started. So pretty much this is what your outer display is going to look like when you get your Moto Razr Plus. And there's so much that you can do on this outer display because it is a whole display, so this is actually usable, unlike the display on the Z Flip 4 and 5. Even though the display on the Z Flip 5 is a lot more better to use, it still doesn't have this full screen real estate like the Moto Razr did. And I want to give Moto kudos for making this all of a display on the outside. But pretty much, like I said, this is what it will look like. You can set pictures, you can have apps, you can actually text, watch YouTube videos on this outer display. So pretty much, if you want to add things to the outer display, all you need to do is just hold down on the screen. As you can see, it says manage panels. You click in that, you can manage all the panels that you would want to have on your outer display here. You have your home screen, you can have contacts, you can have apps, calendars, weather, and then down here you get your Spotify. These are more panels that you can have, and you can click out of that, but you can also hold down and you can set wallpapers and shortcuts. So this is the wallpaper that I'm currently using on my display right now. It's just a picture of me. Slide through here and pick all the different kind of wallpapers that you want on your display. If you want to do that, you can come here and change your wallpaper display, but I'm going to leave it with the one I have because I like that one a lot better than some of the other ones. So you also get access down here to little notifications. So as you can see, I have a notification from X, which is Twitter. If I click in that, I can see what notification that I have, and then I can go on and clear it from the screen. You also get the battery percentage at the bottom here. So pretty much this first screen is just the time, the date, and the weather. If I slide over, I get my phone pad dialer. If I want to make a phone call right from this screen, I can do that. And there is my contacts. If I swipe out, if I swipe again, then here is where the fun begins. This is where you get all of your apps. So right now I have my camera app, my messages, Gmail, I have Instagram, Telegram, X, Threads, YouTube Studio, X, which is Twitter, the Play Store, Facebook, Gallery, Messenger, vidIQ, my Bible. I have Keep Notes, Apple Music, and Amazon. And if you want to add more, or if you want to delete some of the apps on this home screen, all you would need to do is just come up here, press that, and you click on the apps that you want. So these are all the apps that can be added currently. You can click on them and unclick them. So let's say I wanted to put eBay on there. All I need to do is hit check, and it'll put a check mark on there, and just like that, eBay is added. And what's so cool about this is, like I said, this is a functional display. So as you can see, that's me. You can see me right there. I want to take a picture, I can do that if I wanted to, and then I can pull it up and there's the picture right there. Or you can delete it. That is very cool. Like I said, you can answer text messages from this outer display, so you will not need to open up your device. You can text right away, no problem. As you can see, that is a nice size keyboard, and I can just put okay if I wanted to and come down here and I can send that text message if I wanted to do that. But right now I don't want to do that, so I'm going to get out of that. But as you can see, this is my text messaging app right here. I can add new people and reply to new people there. Very cool. Like I said, Gmail, you can get into Gmail. You can write an email. You can scroll your Instagram feed on this outer display. This is how this will look right here. And this is all without opening up the inner display. And if you want to make it smaller, you can slide up here. It'll say default view. So this is the default view. But if you click on that, this is where you can get access to all your buttons. But if you want a better view, or if you want it bigger, you just slide up and put full screen, and all of your apps will currently be in full screen, and you can just scroll your Twitter account just like that. You can go into your Telegram X. Like I said, everything works pretty good on this outer display, no problem. Then you also have access to your Threads app. Like I said, this is so cool because you have access to things right here. You don't have to open up your device unless you just want to, but you don't have to. You can like, write a comment, keep it moving, but this is what my page looks like. Get out of that. All of these apps here you can use on this outer display. YouTube, show you what you can do on YouTube. You can actually sit here and watch a YouTube video if you really wanted to on this device. I'm going to go to one of my videos. Come subscribe if you're not already subscribed, but turn the volume down. But I'm going to play one of my videos. Which one do I want to play? Let's just play this one here. There, see? And this is what the video will look like. And I can zoom in and actually watch content on this outer display. That is so cool that I have screen real estate to actually do that. And when I'm done, then I'm done. But you can scroll your YouTube. You can watch somebody else's channel if you wanted to, all from your outer display. Like I said, these are all the apps you can have access to, and they don't look bad, you know. This is what your Facebook will look like. This is a fun little device to use. And then if you slide over to my third page, it is just telling me that it's Tuesday, it's Wednesday, August. No, it is not Wednesday. It is Tuesday, August the 8th. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. This is just showing me that I currently have no events available. But if you click on this button, you get a full calendar. As you can see, click it away, it goes away. I can slide here. This is what your weather looks like. Click into it, it shows you your weather. And then it's back to the home screen. And you also can touch the phone, touch the middle of the phone, and you get access to lock screen clock faces. You don't get many. You get this, the regular one. You get this one where it shows you the time, the day, the date, if you have any events, so on and so on. You get another one. You get this little funky looking one. You get this one with animal animations on it. You get one like this. You can change the time the way you want the time to look. You also get this one. You can change the color of this one if you wanted to. You also get this here, and this is the last one that you get. So pretty much I just wanted to show you the full functionality you can get with the outer display on your Motorola Razr Plus. I hope you found this video helpful, so just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.